Don't forget to check out our top-selling CPD certified Excel courses and our awesome Excel training app. Our innovative Excel training app allows you to take our Excel courses inside your Excel application itself, giving you a truly immersive learning experience. Hi, in this video we will learn about the min and max functions in Excel.
The min or minimum function finds the smallest number in a set of values. So here we have some scores for exam of different students. So if we want to calculate the minimum score, we can write the formula over here. Min, open bracket, and select the range and close the bracket. And end. So I get a minimum value of 49. So here Mary has got the lowest score of 49. And if I apply to a range that has text and then logical values and blanks, let's see what happens. Equals min, and I select the range, and I get 66 as the minimum value. So it has basically ignored the text, the logical value, and then the blank values and the blank cell. So the opposite of min or minimum is there as well. So the max function finds the largest number in a set of values. So in this range of scores, if I want to find the largest value, I can use the max function, give the range, and int. So I got 91 as the maximum value, and James has got the maximum score, 91.
Thanks for watching. Now, if you like this video, why not subscribe to support us and get notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.